Hello, welcome to LEV Toys. Are you ready? I want to introduce you to the new girls who have come to live with me at my house. These are the most beautiful dolls, and they have a lot that is very special about them, which I'm going to tell you all about in a moment. But as you can see, they have something in common with the Lego Friends characters, but they also love collecting Lego mini dolls. In fact, they are collecting a whole heap of bespoke and the very individual ones, and they're displaying them here in their own little home. Now, look at this girl. This girl's name is Sofia, but look at her carefully. Look, she's just like Olivia. Check it out. She's got brown eyes, she's got the beautiful skin, she's got the brown hair. I've actually done her hair in a plait over, like the new Olivia. So they're like twins, except one's like now the big doll, and the Lego Friends is like her little cuddly toy doll. Now, these dolls are actually called Kruselings, and they just fit beautifully into the palm of my hand. They're a lovely size to play with. They're really articulated. Their clothes, oh, they've got the most gorgeous clothes, and their clothes are really well made and really well detailed. Let's have a look here at Joy. This one's called Joy, and she's Andrea's big doll girl. Look, she is just, look, she's Andrea as a doll. How gorgeous is she? I actually decided with her complexion she would look really, really pretty in pink. So I've taken her clothes from one of the other dolls. We've played mix and match with all the clothes. But isn't she just divine? Look at that gorgeous brown curly hair. And look, here's the Mia version here. Her name is Chloe. She's got the same ginger hair, and she's got a fringe and similar colouring. She's actually missing the little freckles that Mia has. I might even have to paint them in later if I want to. But look, it's Mia. Mia is a doll. This is just, it doesn't get more exciting than this. Though it does actually, because there's more. There's Stephanie, look. Same colouring, same hair. We can even put her hair up in a nice big high ponytail like Stephanie has when she plays sports. I put her in some sporty gear with a bit of yellow on it. I actually took this clothing from the Andrea lookalike doll. I swapped their clothes over. I just think they look better. But so far you haven't seen an Emma doll. Don't worry, there is one, and she is so cute. I thought I would open her on video for you. This is the deluxe version. Now, you can get them just as a single doll with their everyday clothes, but they also have an alter ego, each of these girls, as fairies, these guardians, and they've got a whole backstory. Now, I'm not actually very interested in their fairy costumes, but I do love their everyday costumes. So let's sit the other girls all down, and I'll open up Luna, and then we will have an Emma doll as well. A complete set of Lego Friends playable dolls. So this is the little brochure that comes in these deluxe boxes. It tells you the backstory about all of these girls. They're supposed to be, they're 10-year-old girls, and this is what I love about them, is that they don't have a lot of makeup. They look like your body looks like when you're a kid, and they are just a beautiful size to hold in your hand, and their arms and their legs, and they're articulated all everywhere, so you can pose them. They stand up on their own, and look at them. They've all got such a cute little story that goes with them as well. There's also a boy, Michael, which I haven't got yet. I will have to get him. If you'd like to see him, make sure you let me know in the comments, and I'll get him and I'll do another video. Now, you can see they all have their fairy costumes, and I actually feel as though they're a lovely combination, like if the Lego Friends and the Lego Elves girls combined together. So, two different stories, but enough. Let's have a look at Luna. This is Luna in her fantasy costume, and you can see that her arms are articulated. You can turn them and you can bend them, so you can put them in all sorts of poses. The girl who is Stephanie's doll is actually a ballet dancer in the stories here, and you can actually set them up to do all sorts of ballet poses or yoga poses. Luna comes with her telescope, and her hand is actually in a good shape to be able to hold it up to her eye. I haven't read properly what the telescope's all about, but I thought we'd investigate this fantasy costume first. I'm going to try and I'll take her hair out. Now, their hair's quite oily, kind of oily when it first comes out. You can give it a gentle wash, and it makes it just feel a lot nicer. They really do have lovely quality hair and lovely quality clothes, and their skin is actually vinyl, so they're kind of soft to the touch but still firm. They're a very nice quality doll. And look at the wings, they pop off the top as well as you can take them off completely. So you can mix and match everything with these girls. Let's give her hair its very first brush. Now, Luna is from Hong Kong, China. All of these girls are from a different continent. They come together to do special things. But because her hair's been tied back in a band while she was in the box, it's got this kink in it, and it's actually supposed to be gorgeously straight, black, glossy hair, and I don't know how to get that kink out. I'm afraid to put heat on it because I don't know how this hair will react to that. But I'm gonna have some experiments and see what happens. I'm just gonna do a little, there we go, trim of the fringe because there was a tiny bit there that hadn't been cut properly across. Come and look really closely. They've got glass eyes, these dolls, which make them look more realistic. Their eyelashes have been painted in, and their eyebrows have also been beautifully defined. They look like American dolls, American Girl dolls eyebrows too. In fact, I think with their body shape, and there's so much of them that actually remind me of the American Girl dolls, except they're smaller. You can fit them in the palm of your hand, and they're so articulated, so you can pose them and you can sit them down and you can just do lots of fun things with them. All right, bending the knees, let's have a look. She's got a fantasy outfit on at the moment. Let's take all of these off so you can have a look at how they're put together, these dolls. Ankles are all articulated. Their feet are flat, like normal people's feet, not like Barbie's feet, which means they stand up so easily. The dresses, their clothes are really easy to get on and off. And as I said before, the clothes are stitched really nicely. They are not going to fall apart on the first or second wear. And all of them come with knickers. How many dolls come with little pairs of knickers these days? We're going to put her in her other outfit and she's going to look stunning. Look at those cute little pink sneakers. Look at her, she stands up all by herself. All right, she has got a really, really pretty bag, beautifully velcroed, lined on the inside there to add some extra strength. She's got, I love this outfit. Actually, I wish they had this outfit in my size because I would totally wear this. And the little buttons on the sleeves, so gorgeous. And some jeans with some pink seams up there. Let's see how these all go, how easy they are to dress. I've actually dressed the other ones quite a few times, so I can tell you the clothes slide on really easily and they fit really nicely. There's been so much thought gone into these dolls. She looks like she's already doing some yoga poses while I put her jeans on. Lovely. She can stand up on her tippy toes too. But she can't actually stand on her tippy toes, but she can stand on her flat feet. Her t-shirt here opens all the way at the back, so nice and easy to get it on and off. Aren't these divine? Do you like this? I'm just in love with these dolls. And the fact that there's one for each Lego Friends just makes it even more amazing. Very, very pretty t-shirt. The pinks go well together. The sneakers have even got tread on the bottom, so she's not going to slip when she's walking on wet surfaces. They're easy to put on too because they've got that little slit at the back, which makes them easy to put on and off, so we don't actually rip any feet off by accident. Just make sure we don't catch her toesies as we put them on. So cute. Oh, this is the best outfit. And because she's really well articulated, it's easy to put tight things like these jackets, these overcoats on, and just even her fingers don't get caught as you're going through. And it sits nicely at the front without even needing any fastenings. She looks so cozy and so fashionable. We'll put her bag on and then she'll be ready. And the colours go beautifully with her complexion. They're all just divine. In fact, we can mix and match their outfits so well. So here we are. Oh, she's already found her Emma doll and she loves her. She's so glad to be here. Look, they're just twinsies. It's Emma and her mini-me. And they can cuddle them. Their hands actually go all the way around them and cuddle them up. How adorable are these dolls? My new doll versions of the Lego Friends girls. They are just perfectly matched. And look at their little house. They've taken off with all of my best little mini dolls and some of my custom made ones there. I'm just glad they have settled in so happily. I am thrilled to have them here living with me. We've come to that time of the video where I remind you to subscribe. If you enjoy watching my type of videos, do make sure you click the notification bell. Do make sure you give me thumbs up. They're such happy little things to see the thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think of the Kruseling dolls. I love them, but do you? Do you love them? Do you think they look like little American girl dolls like I do? Because I really do, I do. And you know, I'm going to see you for another video very soon. So bye.